Mindfulness meditation for beginners, easy techniques to start. In this video, we'll explore simple and accessible mindfulness meditation practices to help you cultivate awareness, reduce stress, and find inner peace. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to refresh your practice, these techniques will empower you to embark on your mindfulness journey. Let's begin. Before we dive into the practices, let's take a moment to understand what mindfulness is. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, without judgment or attachment to thoughts or feelings. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, sensations, and surroundings with openness and curiosity. By cultivating mindfulness, we can develop greater clarity, resilience, and emotional well-being. One of the simplest and most effective mindfulness practices is breathing meditation. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes gently. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. You can focus on the rise and fall of your chest or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. Whenever your mind wanders, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Continue this practice for a few minutes, allowing yourself to be fully present with each inhalation and exhalation. Another powerful mindfulness practice is the body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly scan down through your body, paying attention to any sensations or areas of tension. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort and allow them to soften with each breath. Continue scanning down through your body, bringing awareness to each part, from your head to your toes. This practice can help you release physical tension and cultivate a deeper connection with your body. Thank you for joining us. Remember, mindfulness meditation is a journey, and it's okay to start wherever you are. By incorporating these simple practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate greater presence, peace, and well-being in your life. Be kind to yourself, and may your mindfulness journey be filled with curiosity, compassion, and joy. And remember to check the link below this video